No cap. Work.
Yeah, that's some shit. Yeah, but I had never heard of it.
Me neither.
And it was right. It's right there next to where I work.
Yeah.
Them people stay in that hotel. They come over. Others be coming over there to eat.
Oh shit, that was up.
It's just like when the Texas Rangers play at home. You got they fans. Them people like say they playing Milwaukee.
That'd be the main hotel they go to.
No, but some be in there. I think the main ones they go to is right close to the stadium. Yeah, we probably right in the stadium. Yeah.
That's what's up. Show.
Yeah, man. Because I seen the Rangers played Milwaukee, and I seen people come in there. Oh, they had the Milwaukee Brewers stuff on and stuff like that. And then couldn't find out the Rangers playing the Brewers. Yeah, they was going over there in the hotel. Them serious fans, man.
Yeah. Especially when we got to shoot.
Them serious fans, they traveling to see them folks play.
Shit, that was. Government Cowboys, man, ain't gonna spend. No, it ain't that.
That's like you got a lot of fans going on the Cowboys.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I'm not hard, but I'm not. I'm gonna get broke. I'm not gonna get broke to go to no game.
I don't care about going to see no game. Let me see it on TV.
Okay, shit.
I'm not that fun of that kind of thing.
No, man, me neither, man. Wasting no damn money.
I'm not that fun of that kind of thing.
No, sir.
I went to see the Cowboys play when they was in the Cotton Bowl night.
Yeah, I done went to a game, but I ain't saying I'm gonna spend no big high dollar money.
I don't care nothing about going because it's too crowded.
Yeah, then try to go. Everybody then when shit pop off, the motherfucker wanna go, can't go. Oh shit.
And in Arlington, the way they doing over here in Arlington, man, they got police in the middle, directing traffic when they had a game. Go down there when they having the game.
One ways and shit. Once you go this way,
they gonna be directed.
Yeah,
the police. Yeah,
they be doing the most.
That's the only thing I don't like about going to. You can't shit. You so crowded. I mean, you so crowded then, man.
Yeah, buddy.
I could be sitting right here. I ain't cried it. Everybody ain't cried.
Ain't got to worry about no out in your face.
Got to drive. I ain't got to worry about it. You gonna run over me? You trying to get over here? You know what? You don't know.
For real.
This shit is crazy. But folks do it all the time.
Maybe out there like it ain't nothing, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe on it. I give it to him. Maybe on it.
They say the boy is worth, they just said today, worth 9-point-something billion.
Damn, billion?
Yeah. They ain't won the Super Bowl in how long?
And they still.
And then when they said that, what does it say? They said most of the teams in the NFL is at 5.1 billion. The Cowboys almost 2 times. If they 9.4, they almost double that. You hear me? Because they go nothing, that'll be 5. You hear me?
Yeah.
That's gonna be another 10. And you think about all the other teams, they got 5 billion, but this fucker, and he just getting that off his revenue.
He got it made.
Oh man, then he in oil and all. Jim Jones,
Jim Jones got
he a businessman.
There you go.
He's a businessman.
He'll go against the Cowboys.
He ain't gonna let damn some bitch talk no shit to him. You hear me?
Nah, he the man. He the man that's in his head.
That damn
He tell him shit.
That's how he live. That's why Jimmy Jones had to part from it. Shit,
Yeah, man. You ain't even treat me like that.